Hi, I'm Mike of Convolution Cloud, and we're here today at St Saviour's Church in Guildford. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a mono impulse response, a sample of this acoustic space, using your preferred DAW and a burst of white noise as our impulse source. For this, you will need a DAW. We'll be using Pro Tools, but you can use whatever you like, a USB or Firewire sound card, and a microphone. We'll be using the SE4400A set to omnidirectional. You'll also need a set of headphones and a speaker. We'll be using a studio monitor. Let's get started. I've plugged both the microphone and the studio monitor into the interface, and I will now play some reference audio through the studio monitor. This can be found on the resources page of the website. Playing the reference audio through the studio monitor while monitoring through these headphones means I can walk around the church with this microphone trying to find the nicest sounding spot in this space. Now that we have found the sweet spot in this space, the next step will be to set up the DAW ready to record the impulse response. First of all, you will need to go to the resources page on convolutioncloud.com and download the white noise burst we have prepared for you. Make sure you save this somewhere safe. I've saved it to the desktop. Open up your chosen DAW and import the white noise burst you downloaded from the website. Also make sure it plays back through your speaker. Now create a mono audio track and select the correct inputs and outputs and name the track whatever you like. You will also need to mute the track so you don't create a feedback loop, and after you've done this, arm the track for recording. Make sure you're getting enough signal coming in and make sure you give your microphone enough gain so it will pick up the burst, and then press record. Now that this has been done, we will need to edit out the silence and export it, ready to be uploaded to convolutioncloud.com. I'm going to mute the white noise track and unarm and unmute the impulse response track. I am now trimming off the silence from the end and the start of the impulse response. The final step is to export the impulse as a mono WAV file. The impulse response is now ready to be uploaded to convolutioncloud.com and to be used in your favourite convolution reverb plugin or other devices. And now we're done. Thanks for watching this video and happy uploading.